Return statement on multiple lines. Have scoured the interwebs trying to figure this out, but with no luck. As far as I know, you usually only have one return statement. However, my problem is that I need to have line breaks in my return statement in order for the testing to return true. What I've tried is throwing up errors, probably just a rookie mistake. My current function with no attempts to make a line break is below. Are new line breaks, \n, supposed to work in return statements? It's not in my testing.
You can split up a line in a return statement, but you have forgotten a parenthesis at the end, and that you also need to separate it with another operator, in this case, a plus. Change 2. Note that calling str on exclamation point and comma is pointless. They are already strings.
First, you are using str to convert several strings to strings. This is not necessary. Second, there's nothing in your code that would insert a new line in the string you're building. Just having a new line in the middle of the string doesn't add a new line. You need to do that explicitly. I think that what you're trying to do would be something like this. I'm leaving in the call to str, phrase 1, since I don't know what phrase 1 is, if it's already a string, or has a dot underscore underscore str underscore underscore method, this shouldn't be needed. I'm assuming that the string you're trying to build spans the two lines, so I've added the missing parenthesis at the end.
In Python, an open parent causes subsequent lines to be considered a part of the same line until a closed parent. So you can do. But I wouldn't recommend that in this particular case. I mention it since it's syntactically valid and you might use it elsewhere. Another thing you can do is use the \. Or, in this particular case, my advice would be to use a formatted string. That looks like it's functionally equivalent to what you're doing in yours, but I can't really know. The latter is what I do in this case though. If you want a line break in the string, then you can use \n as a string literal wherever you need it.
The simple code to understand. The output, Unkit, Kalani, is the new learner in programming. Easy peasy way to return the multiple lines in Python.
If you want to support the channel, please consider making it subscribing.